recent remarks attributed to Mr. Paul Tungwarara, suggesting that the governance of Zimbabwe is ordained by God and that President Emmerson Mnangagwa is anointed to lead until 2030, raises serious constitutional, ethical, and democratic concerns. Sanapenda mashoko kudanywa pana pane the news of Chiti, the constitution, not divine claims, governs Zimbabwe. Not boy subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Now aiwa you extend the team to kamera wiki ya Chirita. News of Rambirinyura Chiti. Zimbabwe is a constitutional republic, not a theocracy. The authority to govern this country does not flow from divine pronouncements, personal beliefs, or spiritual claims. It flows from the Constitution of Zimbabwe and the sovereign will of the people, expressed through regular, free, and fair elections. The 2013 Constitution is explicit. Presidential terms are limited, elections are scheduled, and no individual may extend their tenure through theological justification or political convenience. Attempts to cloak unconstitutional ambitions in the religious language do not sanctify them. They undermine both democracy and faith. Faith communities play an important and respected role in our society. They are guidelines of moral conscience, social justice, and peace. But faith must never be weaponized to silence citizens, intimidate dissent, or legitimize the erosion of constitutional safeguards. History teaches us that when a political power claims divine entitlement, accountability collapses, corruption flourishes, and citizens are reduced from rights holders to subjects. Zimbabwe deliberately rejected that path when it adopted a people-driven constitution in 2013. Equally important, ethical leadership is not tested by proclamations of anointment. It is tested by obedience to limits. Term limits are the ultimate test of ethical leadership. Leaders who truly serve the people submit themselves to constitutional boundaries. They do not seek to transcend them through prophecy, fear, or manipulation. Zimbabweans are not debating theology, they are defending constitutional order. The constitution binds us all, believers and unbelievers, leaders and citizens alike. It must be respected, implemented, and defended without exception. Domashkano yaita panguva ino awana the news of spina comment section medu mbodziwa mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro penhau aiwa yema-constitutional amendments iri kuchiridza panguva ino. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.